What are the common side effects of lanolin?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common ingredient found in many skincare products, lanolin. We'll specifically focus on its potential side effects.
What is lanolin?
Lanolin is a type of fat that is derived from sheep's wool. It's widely used in various skincare products due to its excellent moisturizing properties. It mimics the natural oils produced by our skin, which makes it a popular choice for combating dryness and maintaining skin hydration. However, despite its benefits, there are some potential side effects that can occur with its use.
What are the common side effects of lanolin?
While lanolin is generally considered safe for most people, some may experience side effects, especially those with sensitive skin. The most common side effect is skin irritation. This can manifest as redness, itching, or rash. Another side effect can be an allergic reaction. Some people may be allergic to lanolin without knowing it, and using products containing this ingredient could lead to symptoms such as swelling, severe itching, and even difficulty breathing in extreme cases. It's also worth noting that impure lanolin can be comedogenic, meaning it might clog pores and potentially lead to acne. However, most cosmetic-grade lanolin is refined to remove impurities and is less likely to cause this issue.
How to use lanolin safely?
The key to using lanolin safely is to test it on a small patch of skin first. If you notice any redness, itching, or other signs of irritation within 24 hours, it's best to avoid products containing this ingredient. If you suspect an allergic reaction, seek medical attention immediately. And lastly, if you have acne-prone skin, it might be best to use non-comedogenic products or discuss the use of lanolin-based products with your dermatologist. So, while lanolin has many benefits, it's important to be aware of its potential side effects. Always remember to listen to your skin and choose products that suit your skin type. We hope this information helps you make informed decisions about your skincare routine. Thanks for watching.